Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the first day of the rebuild of Sneaky Cat. So it's already got the new trans in it. Currently in the break-in period, and Kevin's actually washing it right now. Doesn't know what he's doing, but that's okay. So Kevin's washing it. Luckily it worked out that Travis is back in town because he is moving to Pennsylvania to work with Americana. So, man, look at, hold on just a second. Look how good the Jeep looks. Oh my.
He coated that. He coated the
Yeah, that thing looks nasty. Oh, and he recoated the Charger. Holy shit. Anyways, luckily Travis is in town, so when the car caught on fire, Travis and the manager from Cheddar's actually sprayed the fire with the fire extinguisher, obviously. So that got all over the car, but when Rigo, thank you Rigo, picked me up on his trailer, we decided to drive the car through the car wash just to get all the shit off. That way it didn't ruin the wrap or the ceramic coating. And it wouldn't come off by just rinsing it. We actually had to scrub it by using the brush, which is a no-no. But it was better than having that stuff ruin the actual wrap. So Travis is able to actually correct the swirl marks that we put in the coating from using the brush. So Kevin and I are washing it right now, and then Travis is actually going to start correcting the swirls in the wrap. You can't see it right now because it's kind of dark, but it still beads really good.
I mean, it's on there, like.
So it still obviously beads really well because it has the coating, but it does have swirls in it, and luckily Travis is very nice and he's gonna fix it for me. We did have to tape up these holes because when my dumbass was pushing the car off the trailer, I was already mad. The car was wet because we just washed it. My hand slipped off the trunk right here, hit the spoiler, and I broke the shit out of it. So it's a $550 part from Mopar. You can get them a little bit cheaper, but I was at the dealer, so I decided to order it from the dealer. And it will be here Friday, so pretty quick. But here's the part that I actually broke. So this piece right here would hold the clip, so it's on both sides. So I broke the shit out of it. That's what happens when you're mad, frustrated, and your transmission just blew on your Hellcat. So no worries. Ordered that while we were at the dealership, so that'll be the next piece to the puzzle. Got to break in the transmission about 500 miles, take it easy, and then just check over everything, retighten everything, make sure it's all good, not leaking, check the fluid. What else? I had to order some lug nuts because Kevin stole one off of my car because we lost one to his. I had to order a new lip, so the new front splitter.
Oh, did you order one?
Yes, I did. And it was $50 for shipping, Jesus. Anyways, kind of hard to see, it's a little dark, but mine's all jacked up from the driveway. So I figured this would be a good time to replace that since we're kind of doing all this work already. What else? And so I don't do that. You don't have yours out here, do you? The little things that go into the lip.
They're in the house.
Okay, from ZL1 Add-ons. They sell these little spacers that one of you guys commented on Kevin's video that actually sit underneath the lip, so it protects. It actually will hit that. It's almost like a skid plate, but they're just small little round things. But you'll hit that, and that'll keep the lip from dragging up the driveway. So we got to install those. The interior, surprisingly, does not smell like smoke. It does smell like grease and transmission fluid, though. So we need to probably wash the carpet, clean the seats really good, clean the dash, clean the panels really good. But that is the good thing about having leather seats, is the smell did not stick in there, which is awesome. I can't think of anything else, but let's fix this wrap.
Living in the same routine, like the seasons I'm on repeat. It's a long way down. Trying not to follow suit. Don't like the color, I'll change the shade of it. I'm not afraid of it. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding on. I know I'm holding on to this. Holding
Alright, so what's this side?
So we compounded and polished this. We were trying to see if we can get like these deeper scratches out. And really, unless it's in this direct light, which this is I think a 7K light. Sunlight's only 5K, so you can actually see more with this light than the sun will even pick up. But I can see little shimmers.
Alright, so what'd you do to this side?
Oh, sorry.
No, what'd you do to this side?
So I compounded it, microfiber cutting pad and compound, same as I would paint, and then came back with the soft pad and a jeweling polish so that I could polish out the finish.
And then what was the difference on this?
This is nothing, right? Or no, you did.
Nice too.
I kind of worked over here
Yeah,
a little bit so you can kind of see the sheen.
It's kind of hard to see on camera, but there's
You
definitely
can-
a sheen, but it's not a deeper.
Like it
And,
looks
like,
way.
This is
Yeah.
unworked on, kind of up here. And then you get over here.
Yeah, that side looks fucking way better.
So is it true you can correct a wrap? Swirls and scratches in a wrap.
I would say pretty damn.
I mean, we can definitely improve it from its condition. So if you're in a rewrap condition or a rewrap situation, can come back and at least make it look significantly better. Can't be perfect, but
But you can get swirls out of a wrap.
I can get swirls out of a wrap. Especially a gloss wrap.
I think
Kevin's wrap,
Yeah.
it has that extra layer on top. This is a different finish, so it's a
Yeah.
little bit different to manipulate this type of vinyl versus that type of vinyl. So you have more correcting ability with a gloss finish over a satin.
Damn.
The shitty thing is, like, you won't be able to tell on video.
And you, like right now, the car looks super good already.
I think you will be able to tell if you do like decent video right now.
Damn.
There you guys have it. Travis only thinks I'm decent. You heard it here first. So, if you were wondering if you can fix swirls in your wrap, you can, but only if you hire Travis McNutt.
Is he bust nuts?
I guess it's American Show Shine now.
Yeah,
Have you switched over?
yeah, I'm having all the logos and stuff done right now.
So it was Texas Show Shine, but now because Travis is wanted all over the country because people like him, I guess. It's American Show Shine detailing.
Oh yeah!
But just hit up Travis McNutt. What's your phone number?
817-908-7968.
If you want the boss of glass to touch your whip. You'll go anywhere now, right? Really?
Yeah,
As long as there's a few cars to do.
basically what I like to do now is if I can set up a facility in the area and a couple cars that want to get done, then I can do a training and come in and train and do a couple cars.
Oh,
Everybody
question.
wins.
I got a question for you on the video.
Yes.
So, if you guys are not going to We Are Mopar, you should be. Okay, August 3rd and 4th. Should we set up like an event where you can fucking just detail some fucking whips?
No.
Fuck you then!
But what we will do is I'll be there a week in advance, and if you want to pay full price to have it done
If you want
before
your-
the show,
Yeah.
then I'd be happy to take care of you.
If you want your car ready for We Are Mopar the week before in Dallas, hit up Travis. He'll get your car ready. You did the black Hellcat, Billy's, and the Vipers before the meet? Or
Before what?
did you do the black one before? Right
We
before?
did the Hellhound Jeep.
Yeah.
We did the Red Charger. We did Billy's. We did a black one.
Remember the black one with the gold stripes? Yeah.
We took both the Vipers.
Yeah. So if you want your car looking good for We Are Mopar and you want to have a chance at winning, better let Travis touch it. So that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. What's your YouTube now?
Well, the YouTube's American Show Shine.
Okay,
I'm gonna
so it is
change
American.
everything else over. Instagram is Texas Show Shine.
Still
Ceramic
Texas Show
Pro
Shine. Okay.
for now. Shout out to my boy Chase.
Yeah.
Chase, what's your
Shout
Instagram?
out Chase.
Instagram, you can go chase_misers_auto_detailing.
Damn. You lost
Shit.
the second underscore.
He's going to have to fix that. But make sure you go there. Chase is learning from the best. He's lucky that he gets to learn from Travis. And we're out.